we go.
Wow.
First adjustment.
That was amazing.
How was that, mate?
Mind blowing.
That was awesome.
That's really nice.
Breathing in, breathing out. Let it go.
Oh, I can feel the release in that
my
tight part.
goodness. Step forward, mate. Wow. Arms by your side. Nice. Breathe in. Just breathe out. Drop all your upper body weight on me. So kind of just fall. There we go. We're going under that. Head down again. Breathing in. And breathing out. Drop down. Oh my god. Lovely. Step forward, mate. They don't need a lot of force, those ones. Yes. Breathing out. 3, 2. Lovely. That's better. Let it go. Ooh, how's that?
Oh, God.
Lovely. All right, step.
Like a new man.
Yes.
Oh, that feels like the best it's ever felt, I think.